cellphone sa bulsa, ha?
Wala.
Keep your head back, guys. Sir Philip is just smiling.
Ah! Woo! Hindi na ako ginawa sa imo mo kukudutan.
Sandal nyo na yung mga ulo nyo, kuya. Hanggat may tapon kayo, nakasandal lang dapat, ha?
Woo! You ready for this? Maybe not. I'm not sure.
Maybe not. Gumawa na ba kayo ng mga last will and testament nyo?
It's a wild ride for about a minute, and then it's over. 5 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes. The intense part. Siping ko na lang, ma'am. Astronaut ako.
Oo, kuya. Tuloy mo lang yung pag-iisip mo ng ganyan.
Woo!
5, 4,
What do you think? Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Lahat sila. Medyo makuring atay. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Medyo mahugi. It was a ride, huh? I'm shaking. A little bit shaky. Ayos na po, nagtiyog tabi. Have you ever been on something like that? No, sir. Nagtiyog tabi, nagpila tabing tiyog. Ako kuha, Shit.